There are millions of people right now using ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, every AI tool you can think of, and 95% of them will never make a single dollar from it. Not because the tools don't work, but because of three deadly mistakes they keep making over and over again. And today, I'm going to break those down for you so you are not one of them. So, what's going on, everyone? I am Sawan. I'm a chartered accountant turned AI entrepreneur based right here in Dubai. I have trained over 75,000 students on AI and business, and I have built real businesses using AI, not just talked about it. So, what I'm sharing with you today is not theory. This comes from actually doing it, failing at some of it, and figuring out what actually moves the needle. So, look, AI is everywhere right now. Every second video on YouTube is telling you make money with AI. Use ChatGPT to get rich. AI side hustles that pay $10,000 a month. And here is the thing, it is possible. AI genuinely is one of the biggest wealth creation opportunities of our generation. But the way most people are approaching it, completely wrong. Let me explain. Mistake number one, and this is the biggest one. Most people are AI tourists. They are not AI entrepreneurs. What do I mean? So they open ChatGPT, they ask it to write a poem, they ask it a random question, they show it to their friends, and they think they are using AI. But that's not using AI. That's playing with AI. And there is a massive difference. An AI tourist asks, what can AI do? An AI entrepreneur asks, what problem can I solve with AI that someone will pay me for? And that one question, what problem can I solve, changes everything. Because the moment you start thinking in terms of problems and solutions, you start seeing money everywhere. Every business around you, the restaurant down the street, the salon, the real estate agency, the clinic, they all have problems that AI can solve. But you will never see those opportunities if you are stuck in the tourist mode. Mistake number two is what I call being a tool collector. Now, these are the people who know every AI tool on the planet. They have signed up for 47 free trials. They have got bookmark folder full of AI websites. They spend hours watching tool review videos, but they have never actually delivered anything to a single client or a customer. Listen, knowing tools is not a skill. Knowing how to use tools to create value for someone else, that's a skill. And that's what people pay for. Nobody cares that you know how to use Midjourney. They care that you can create a brand identity for their business in 48 hours instead of 3 weeks. Nobody cares that you know how to prompt ChatGPT. They care that you can write their entire email marketing sequence in one afternoon. So stop collecting tools. Start collecting clients. Start collecting results. And mistake number three. This one is personal for me. People try to figure this out alone. They watch random videos, they read random blog posts, they try random things. And after 3 months of going in circles, they give up and say, AI doesn't work for making money. No, what didn't work was your approach. You had no roadmap, no system, no one to ask when you got stuck. And I have seen this thousands of times with my students. The ones who succeed are never the smartest ones. They are the ones who follow a proven system and surround themselves with people who are doing the same thing. And that's why I built a community of over 7,000 people all working on this together. Because making money with AI is not a solo sport. So now that you know the three mistakes, being a tourist, collecting tools, and going solo, let me tell you what the 5% who actually make money do differently. And it's simple. They pick one AI money model, not 5. One. They learn the fundamentals properly. Prompting, automation, positioning, pricing. They find a specific audience with a specific problem and they build an offer around solving that problem using AI. That's it. That's the entire formula. Pick one model, learn the skills, find the audience, solve the problem and get paid. Now the reason most people can't do this on their own is not because it's complicated. It's because they don't know which model to pick. They don't know how to position themselves and they don't have someone walking them through it step by step. And that's exactly why I created my AI Money course, where I walk you through the exact models, the exact tools, the exact strategies that are working right now in 2026. Not theory, not fluff. Real frameworks that my students are using to generate real income with AI. Now, if that sounds like something you need, the link is in the description below and in the pinned comment. Go check it out. But even if you don't join the course, if you take just one thing from this video, let it be this: stop treating AI like a toy and start treating it like a business tool. The people who make that shift now are going to be so far ahead in the next 12 months, it won't even be funny. And that's it for the day. If this hit home for you, drop a comment below. Tell me which mistake you have been making. I read every single comment, and if you are new here, subscribe, because every single week I am dropping real, no nonsense content about how to actually make money with AI. No hype, no fake screenshots, just real strategies from someone who is actually doing it. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.